Hello guys, and welcome to another episode of Pokemon Rejuvenation. Wasn't planning to record another one today. I recorded a good bit of these episodes, but I guess we're continuing on with what I was doing today, and I guess recording more of this. Okay, there's Alita. What's going on here? This cannot be right. Caracos Mountain is in a volcano, so why is... Oh, Osirus, you followed me. When you take a look at this place, the eldest said it was supposed to be a serene place with flowing water, and, well, not this. This place is the complete opposite of what she described. I feel like Sensei knows what's going on here, and that's why he ran away. You have to help me look for him, please. Don't know if I can do it alone, so I'm asking you a favor, so please help me look for Sensei. Yep. Thank you so much. I know you can find him together. Let's get a move on. Let's put one of my weak Pokemon in front. Thank you for my free training session. And free health. What is that thing? It's all squirmy and disgusting. Whatever it is, it's horrifying. Let's keep going. There's going to be stuff around here. I gotta venture around. What is it? Let me touch it. Oh, okay, I guess I can't touch it. Anything in this corner? Anything in this corner? Let's just touch all these stones. Okay, wild battle. Yay. Dude, I found a lot of shinies in here. Like, a ridiculous amount. Let me hit that rock and roll. Oh, you're probably going to kill it. For me. And you have a stronger Pokemon than what your father had. Jesus. Why do you get to be so strong, huh? It was good damage. Just don't hit my Pokemon. Okay, cool. Don't hit my Pokemon. Okay, cool. Oh. Y'all get burned by field. Okay. No. Don't do this to me. Don't do this. God damn it. I missed. No. No. God damn it. Let you die. Yeah. Send help can't even get XP for the life of itself. It's just sad. Alright. Tasty. Get out here. Put in that work. Okay, we'll just uproar this. Bounce, kill that. Slugma. Yay, XP for Tasty. Alright, uproar. Rolla. Boom. Dead. Yay. Did it. Got XP. Send help. You're pretty hopeless. You're a pretty hopeless Pokemon. Up special attack if another Pokemon has plus. Your ability's useless, dude. Yeah. You have garbage. That's right? It's garbage. Hot trash, my dude. Zero attack. Hey, what's going on with this thing on the ground? I am no thing. I am also nothing. Beep bop beep boop. Hello, I'm Security Enforcer Component, but you may also call me Sec. Model number 3567. This ball was placed under the authority of subject Medellis. Please insert your specially crafted Team Zen ID card into the slot provided. Team Zen ID card? I'm afraid I don't have any like that. But that name, Team Zen, you said, sounds familiar to me somehow. No, especially crafted by Team Zen ID cards. No matter, I shall activate our backup voice recognition app. Please hold yourselves. Ah, it's a good thing I just make things more difficult. Warning, warning, intruder, 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 intruder. How could you do this to Sek? Sek was the team player, the MVP. Sek was ready to offer complimentary Team Zen pudding, but you spit on Sek. You are no member of Team Zen. You are unauthorized guest. That makes Sek very angry, you know. Very, very, very angry. I see. That being the case, we'll move out of the way then, yeah? Too late. Sek has already notified the higher-ups. Sek has already been programmed to neutralize both of you. There will be no mercy to be had. Your heroes will always die. Switching to battle mode. This thing is terrifying. Osirus, watch out. Oh, you're just leaving me to Sek? Okay, I guess I have to fight Sek myself. Ooh, with a shine. Well, not shiny. A shadow. See, I don't know my shit, man. Great. I feel fine with wasting that Ultra Ball. I feel fine with wasting it. It better catch. 1, 2, 3, boom. Okay, cool. I feel fine with wasting it. I'll just buy some more, like, right once I'm done with this battle. Oh, my systems are failing. Oh, that was really the result. Sek is mortified, terrified, and even excited. How could such a bad thing happen to Sek? The good guy. The one that got away. This time for Sek to shut down for good. Goodbye. I sort of feel bad for it, I think. It's probably treated terribly, and yet it still works for whoever it created. May you rest in peace, Sek. Psych, I'm back. I bet you thought I was dead, huh? Ha ha ha. Ha, but I wasn't kidding about Sek shutting down for good. This must be pretty true, but the way Sek gets to do it and put the socks on... It will put the socks on your grandmother's. Check it out. It's a stick of dynamite. When Sek is defeated, there will be no purpose in life for Sek. Self-annihilation is the only feasible way of scrapping myself. After all, every show must end with a bang, right? Stop the music, stop it now! Shall play a familiar tune for you. Listen up, pal. You got a long way to go before you reach the top. Though this version of myself will be gone, my brain is connected to an even larger server. I have endless amounts of bodies. You and I will be rivals for the rest of this mountain. Best person or robot will win. See ya, pal. Ah, that was a little strange, wasn't it? Putting the strange drone aside, that Pokemon you used looked rather peculiar. It's a shadow Pokemon. You use a shadow Pokemon. You can't say I've heard of such a thing. You can explain more later, right? We gotta go to... Plus we have to... Second, did say that were more of them, right? Haha, great to hear. I'm leaving this place. See ya. See you later. I need to go buy Pokeballs. Yes. I'm going to forget about you, so, yeah. Back to the sereneness of this village. Nice place. Who knew that there was a volcano under all of this? Alright, let's buy some Pokeballs real quick and then be done with this. This battle is going to take me forever to get through. Let's... I could get 20. I should, you know, bought 2 pairs of 10 and get like 22, but you know what? I'm too lazy to do that. Alright? So, shut the fuck up. I should really do that though, like buy 10, then 10, then 10. Because it just saves me so much more money. And also, I still need my gym badge. Jesus Christ. I want to level up high. I'll reach to the sky, man. But nope. Oh, the next one's only 30. I only get to go to level 30. Jesus Christ. Game's progress is slower than I thought. That's probably why they kept the what is it, reverse candies in the game. Okay. Let's go. Let's go, Alita. Let's run around a bit. Actually, I'll find Pokemon naturally. Let's go down. Oh, what happened? It's just standing around and some dude comes up and kicks me in the face. It really hurt my feelings, you know. I'm a sensitive guy. Excuse me, did he just say that some dude kicked you? He did happen to look depressed and miserable. Whoa, where did you guys come from? I saw Sensei right... You saw Sensei run by here, right? Could you tell us where he went? Who do you think you are? You two aren't supposed to be here. You deal with them. I already got kicked. Fine, I'll defeat you and take you from Dallas. Get a promotion and get my own condo in Alola. Hahaha. Just saying. The places in Alola weren't great. Trust me. It's Handhold Island! Let's be honest though, that whole game was Handhold Island. Wow, this Pokemon's useless. I gotta switch out. Good, I switched out. Okay, is it just going to do a bunch of fire attacks on my Night Howl? It was literally just targeting my Clink. Oh, the Hawlucha isn't in front enough, but the Clink that hasn't been able to get a kill is. Okay, I see how it is. That Clink hasn't grown a level, alright? And you think it's scary enough that you need to kill it. Alright. Makes sense. Did I hit the Magby? I tried. Okay, good. Boom. Magby's down. Bam. Yes, I get a level up. And no, I do not need bind. Oh, God. Night Owl, no! Okay, whatever. Get Tasty out. Oh, jeez. It's more Pokemon. Uproar. Oh, wait, that doesn't affect Loudred, doesn't it? Well, it depends if it has soundproof. Well, like flinch anyways, doesn't matter, does it? I bet you attack just tasty. Of course you attack just tasty. This is bullying, alright? Well, let's put out Scent Help. So I can switch it out and put out Rose. Which will probably die to a magnitude. Yep, Hawlucha bounced because you don't even want to be in battle with me. Cool. Lava Plume, come on, miss. You're... Come on, my dude. I don't get a break. Oh, damn. Hitting the Loudred, bruh. Okay, don't need to switch out. And... Psybeam. Okay, bounce, hit the numble, and then I get the kill, right? Yeah. Cool. Let's do this. Get rid of that thing. No more of it. Alright, cool. My condo dreams. They've been shattered. Alright, you didn't answer my question. Alright, whatever. We can find him on our own. No, we can't. We're hopeless. You healed my Pokemon, right? Good. Well, time to fight another trainer. Or this, whatever. I'll fight this. Let's just go right into Cuddles. Forward ability is actually kind of cool. I don't know if it could have a better ability or not. I don't actually know. But forward's pretty cool because I actually get to learn what the gym leaders have when gyms get really tough. But that's assuming Cuddles will stay until the gyms get really tough. It's a little hard to say, but you know, it could happen. Muda's putting in work right now. If it can still be a good attacker and it can have good defenses, it can still stay on the team. Once it becomes like kind of lackluster, that's when you have to kick him out. Okay, blah blah blah, I get burnt by field. Side beam. Kill it. Kill the Namba. Kill the Numel. Cool. Done. Boom. Send help gets XP. Yay, fun. Why were you two just burn? I don't know. I don't think any of these things can actually kill Clink in one shot, so get right. What did you go for? Okay, you went for that. Ancient Power, see, you can't do anything against Clunk with an Ancient Power. Yes, Gear Grind! He's actually getting in a bit of action. Look at that. He did something! Good for him. He did something. But Jesus Christ, he got burned by that field hard. Okay, hit that Ampharonite, please. Cool. Boom. Got level 22. I miss. Great. And you hit me, of course. You hit me. This is bullying. Yeah, let's gear grind that. Archer, don't hit send help. Hit the Haluja. Oh, thank you. What? No! God damn it. The animations are so clunky in doubles. Whatever. Tasty. Oh. You really had to switch? Now Tasty's about to die or something. Tasty lives! Oh, Blaze softens the attack. Please kill. It should be double effective. 120. Wow. Bullying. Bullying. God damn it. No one can get XP right now, so besides those two. But they're useless. They can't fight off anything. Even if I level them up, they're still probably going to do nothing for the team. Like, they're already level 20 and they're doing nothing. Oh, looks like I got burned up. Whatever. Shut up. No one cares. Ooh, look, elevator. Let's go down this way, though. Yeah, we still have time in the episode. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Cool, we're fighting again. Yay, a lot of fighting. Just more and more fighting. Lots and lots of fighting. Okay. It's a pretty good team we have to go against. Need to check something. Okay, I'm good. Did I even get my hit off yet? Nope. Alright. How much damage am I doing? 1. 2. Wow. Too strong. Well, guess I'm going for it again. Oh no, not Dragon Rage. This thing only has 40 HP. Yeah, just double kick that thing. I cannot level these things up for the life of me. I should just go for kills, honestly. I should just make this fast as possible. Okay, quick attack on... Okay, so Slandit should die. Wing attack, no. Yeah, that's actually kind of bad. Dragon Rage. At least I have more than 40 health. Boom. Did it. Died. Yay. Jesus Christ, these teams are actually strong. Well, at least Elite is actually a good trainer, so it's kinda nice. Okay, can I take a wing attack? Just barely. Alright. Cuddles dies. Jesus Christ, I'm getting wrecked. Well, time to just Excel Rock out of here. Wait, I have to fight these on my own now? Alita only has 2 Pokemon? Still a little unfair. My whole plan was to have Alita carry me the whole way. Alright, Aerial Ace, whatever. Let's see. And Accelerock should be killing that thing. Yep. Boom, did it. Oh my god. You just gotta stop. At some point you gotta think to yourself, maybe it's time to give it up. Okay. Boom. This is a whole battle, really. This is going to be the whole battle. I really can't wait for the game to, you know, accelerate itself. It seems as they slowed down the game a bit, which is fair enough. I really like how Rejuvenation's coming out. Rejuvenation's actually doing very well for itself. Paralyze. Cool. Good, we're done with it. Boom. Boom. Oh, there's more people. I remember someone telling me that you can use Rock Smash to bash these pillars. If you do that, stalactites from the ceiling will fall down. I think you can use that to cross magma. You can actually tell there are stalactite by the shadows. Wait, why am I even telling you this? Screw up. Okay, cool. That means I should have a Rock Smash right now. That's a little annoying. I should really just wrap it up for today. Yeah. Hey, Send Help got to level 23. Guess I'll wrap it up now. Well, after this battle, which is literally just me. Actually, let's see what's in this corner. Oh, okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you liked, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Goodbye.